welcome you all to this live trading session. I actually wanted to show you this because I placed it some times ago, um about 30 to 45 minutes ago, and it's been going on well. I'm really happy that this is really working well. I actually did my analysis using the QDC scripper indicator. I placed my order there, but right now I want to show you from the mobile platform so that you will see the way it works. Okay, so that you will see the way it works. Okay, so let's go to this is it. Okay, as you can see, I placed 10 order. You can see it, and they are going very well. I think a spike just happened, so it reduced the amount a bit, but it will definitely get my take profit. I took this in the night, so it got my take profit before this morning. I ended $4 with that. Okay, so this is another one going on right now. It is very easy to do. All you just need to understand is how to go about it. Once you understand the trend of the markets, you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, and that is one of the essence of the scraper indicator. Okay, you can actually apply it on any of the assets. Okay, you can see this, you can see the way it went. It is all about the trend. Okay, so the scraper indicator helps the QDC scraper indicator helps one to know the general trend of the market and to know the exact trend of the market at that particular time frame. Okay, that is one of the reasons why it is so vital to know the trend of the market, and that is why the scraper indicator is actually there to guide you and understand how to go about it. Okay, and understand how to go about it. Once you are sure of the trend of the market, then you can be in the market for as long as possible till once the market is yet to change the direction of the market, then you are good to go. So as you can see right here, I have already made $84 this morning, and I just did a few analysis and I noticed that the market was juicy. It's not all the time. I actually placed multiple trades. It's not all the time. You can see on this particular trade, it was just a single trade because I wanted to sleep and I just saw it. I said, okay, let me place a single trade. It's not going to hurt me, and I set my take profit, and eventually it got to my take profit and it closed the trade for me in profit, and I made it $4, which is cool enough. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, I love this. You can see this has gone to 100. I'm waiting for the rest to get to 100. Okay, so definitely they will get to 100. Okay, another 100 has been added. Okay, another one, and let's see the next one. Okay, that is just how you can trade with it. Okay, when you understand the way the QDC scraper indicator works, then you will be able to achieve success with it. Okay, this is another one adding to it, and finally another one. Then I want the last one to add to it so that I will be having $1,000. Okay, so I'm waiting for this. Of course, as you can see, this is $1,000 profit already. $1,000 profit already. Okay, so this is the way it works. You guys can actually benefit from this. You guys can actually make a lot of money with this. All you just need to know is to understand the way it works. Once you understand the way it works, practice and perfect your skill first. I'm not saying this QDC scraper indicator is 100% perfect. In short, I used to say this and I will continue to say it. No indicator is 100% perfect. No indicator is 100% perfect. QDC, based on my own analysis, QDC scraper indicator is 90% perfect. 90% perfect, which I believe is cool enough. So if you refuse to practice with it, how will you know the lapses, the loopholes? How will you be able to bail yourself out of it whenever you find yourself in it? Okay, like I said, it spikes a bit the other time because I've gotten to 1150 before, but by the time I started this video, it has reduced down to 800, and right now it is now in 1000. What does that mean? It means that even if you are sure of the trend, let's say the trend is going on downtrend and you've confirmed it, that does not mean that there won't be any spike in between. Okay, that does not mean that there won't be any spike in between. It's just for you to understand if the trend is right or not. Once you are able to confirm this, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab some few tips, and make sure you do your own personal research and practice and perfect your skills first before you try it out on your real account. This is very, very important, and you can always ask questions. Okay, if you want to ask more questions about any of my indicators, or probably about my trading tools, or maybe you would like to know more about my trading strategy, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Okay, you are missing a lot. Okay, so I'll just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified each time I upload a new video. Let me quickly give you guys a warning note here. You can see it's just spike again, definitely to get my take profits. Okay, it happens like that. Okay, so that is why I said when you are confident of the markets, you can always be in the market for as long as possible. Okay, I want it to get my take profit. I don't want to close it on my own. I want it to get my take profit. Okay, so I'm going to leave it till it gets to my take profit. Okay, quickly, I wanted to say something. Okay, it is not all the time you will be able to open multiple orders like this, just the way I am opening it. Okay, do not be deceived by this. I am opening multiple orders just because of the capital I'm having in this. Okay, so if you are not having strong capital for multiple orders, it's not necessary you open multiple orders. If you should check here, okay, I actually opened a single order there, and it still gave me $84, which is cool enough. If you are sure of the market, you can open. If your capital is not strong enough, you can open just one order and it will still deliver for you. So this is very, very important. It is very, very important. It's not compulsory you open multiple order. You don't have to look after the amount you want to make at the end of the day. All you need to look out for is consistency in making profit. Okay, that is very, very vital. It is more important than you making multiple orders. Okay, some people will tell you that I made a lot of money in the morning and I lost everything in the evening. It's because you want to earn more than what you have earned, or more than your ability. The market has already delivered for you, but you decide to give it back to the market. Why don't you keep what you have with you first, and let's see how you can go about it. So as you are learning and you are growing in your knowledge in forex trading, then you should be able to keep some some profit for yourself. You should be able to make consistent profit right now. Okay, so due to the videos, it seems I will have to close some because I love closing trades in your presence. I don't want it to look as if, okay, we didn't see the end of the trading journey. Of course, it's not easy. Even if I didn't close it in your presence, is it that easy to open multiple order and on real accounts like this and makes this amount of money for a very long time? I don't think it is. If it is, you can come on and do your illustration and let's see how easy it is. Okay, so let's close anyone that gets to $100 so that we will be able to calculate how much we make at the end of the day. Okay, how much we make at the end of the day. Okay, of course I can still open it again if the trend is still favorable, or I look for something else to trade. Okay, so let's see how much we have made. Okay, $700 made already. Okay, so let me wait for this a bit, that is if there is no other spike that will happen that will reduce it. Okay, as you can see, just the way I did in my in the last live trading video which I did, in the last live trading video which I did, I had to open it at different stages. Whenever there is a spike, I open again. Whenever there is a spike, I open again. Each time there is a spike, I open again, and I try to close the previous ones. The reason is I'm trying to keep some of my profit for myself. Okay, I'm trying to keep some of my profits for myself. Okay, so that's the way it works. Okay, so let me close more. People are actually disturbing me with calls. Okay, let's see, 9:15 already, so definitely if I should close this, it should give us $1,000. I love it this way. Okay, this is $1,000 round figure. Okay, so let me see how far this can go. Okay, let me see how far this can go. I just want every one of them to get to $100 before closing it, or before ending this video. Okay, let's see if this can actually produce that. Okay, let's see if it can actually produce that. Okay, let's see. It has gotten to its $7. We still have a long way to go. Let's see if we can get to $100. Let me confirm from the system if the trend is still in my favor. Okay, let me check that from the system if it is still in my favor. If yes, then I'm going to leave it open till it gets to my $100. Okay, I'm still in the right trend, just that it is around a support level, but I am still in the right trend. Okay, let me see if it will break that support level. If it breaks it, then definitely I will get to $100. The funniest thing is I'm almost getting to my take profits. Okay, okay, it will get to $100. Okay, I'm going to wait till it gets to $100 before I close it. Okay, you can see a single trade can actually give you $100 if you are sure of what you are doing. Okay, a single trade can actually give you $100 if you are sure of what you are doing and you have enough capital to cater for it. Okay, so let's see this side. Okay, so that it won't be boring. Let's see how we're able to make some money here. Okay, let's start from the lowest part. 106, 106, 106, 102, 102, 102. That shows that I opened them at different stages. Okay, so I hope you are getting that. Then there's another set, 103, 103, 103. This is the one I took in the night and it gave me $84. Okay, so let's go back to this. This is $94, almost $100. So I wait for it to get to $100 before closing it. Okay, so that is the way it works. I've done my analysis already. Let me check the system again. Okay, it has just broken the support level, but it is still within the range. Okay, it is even almost getting to my take profits, but let me wait for it to get to $100. So it is either it gets to $100 or it gets to my take profits, any of the two, because if you should check, it has its take profit here. As you can see, it has the take profit, and this is the current stage, the current price, which is 10,903, but the take profit is 10,898. So you can see that it is almost there, less than 100 for it to get to the take profit. Okay, so whichever one that comes first, either it get to the take profit or it get to 100, I will decide if I should close or not. Okay, let's see. Don't worry, we are almost through. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel. This is a channel which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money in the forex market. So take your time to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab some few tips there, and make sure you you practice and perfect your skill first before you dive into any of these before you apply any of these strategies in your trading activities. Okay, so after doing that, you can also contact me if you have any question. You can contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. If you want to know more about the QDC scraper indicator, you can watch some of my recent videos. I explained about the QDC scraper indicator. There I explained how you can use it successfully to make some money in the forex market. Okay, so you can also ask questions if you have a few questions about it. Okay, you can also do that. Okay, so that is how it works. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. Of course, it is already at $102, so I can close it now. So thank you and God bless you. Thanks for staying tuned till the end of this trade. Okay, we actually made $1,124 in this trade. Okay, you can watch my last live trading session for you to see how I analyze before picking some trades using the QDC scraper indicator. Remember, QDC scraper indicator cannot work on the mobile platform. It can only work on the system. The reason is there is no way you can upload a custom made indicator on mobile platform. There is no room for you to upload it on mobile platform, just on PC. Okay, just on PC. So that is why I analyze using my PC. I place the trade. Sometimes I place the trade on the PC, sometimes I place it on my phone based on my analysis, and I take my profit. It is very easy for me to close my trade using my mobile platform. So that is why I always do video with my mobile platform to show you how I close my trades. Okay, so I'll be stopping here for now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.